Hi, welcome back. This is Patricia Regier with Regier Educational Services. I am super excited to be featuring Canva with this video walkthrough. If you have not checked out some of our videos about Canva, I'll link those as well. But what I wanted to review again with you is the ability to create a presentation. It's an exciting option, and I'm going to demonstrate for you here today. So I just wanted to share a few additional thoughts directly here, recording in Canva, and a little bit about my perspective before I show you a video walkthrough. So Canva is trusted by global brands, everything from American Airlines to Twitter. And for myself, I use it in my business almost every single day, and using it for a variety of ways. But specifically with the talking presentations or slide deck presentations, you can collaborate with your team, you can edit on the same file, and you can reuse that presentation, copy it, and edit it for another presentation, so another group, and make it customized for them. There's such a huge content library. It's just fantastic. Everything in one spot, saving you time and efficiency, and you're going to get a great look around as to everything you can do for this. But I wanted to share a couple tips as well. If you're new to presenting online, if you're not too happy about getting in front of the camera, you could create some videos without necessarily going on camera, but being in this little tiny circle, it is a little bit less intimidating. But I do want to give you the tip to look directly into the camera like you're talking to someone. The more you do this, more comfortable you will become. But the advantage in Canva of being able to create these slides and give a presentation, record and share a link, or download and put the video file somewhere is just fantastic. So I wanted to share that you're able to work with your team and create an unforgettable presentations, really engage your audience, and in real time be able to create something quickly and share the information as people need it as well. You don't need design experience. I jumped into Canva a few years ago, but I keep learning, and whenever there's a new feature, I'm learning it as well. So you don't have to have design experience to be able to use this platform. It's just fantastic. So I'm going to show you around, but those are a couple tips I just wanted to share up front about what a difference Canva makes for me in my business and working with my clients, that I'm able to share these amazing tools that make a difference in their workplaces or for their businesses. Thanks for checking this out. And now back to the tutorial. So first of all, when you're in your home account, and I will be linking an option if you want to check out Canva Pro for free so that you can take a look, test, and try. I will link that below as well. But in your Canva account, you can go to Home, you can go to here up at the top right, Create a Design, and then you can pick Presentation. How to create this, give you a tutorial walkthrough, and I'm also going to record in Canva and add it to this video as well, because that is a fantastic option here in Canva. Now, what I really like also here for a presentation, that there are templates we can use, first of all. And so we can just scroll through. We can also search templates. This might be a template that we might like. And we can apply all pages here. And then we can then also edit. So I can create right now. Creating you can go back, and if you like, the template, see, I can change all right here. color changed across all the other ones that are similar to it. So that's a nice shortcut. So I want to make sure I always do include variety. So the three dots here up at the top right, you click that, and then I can present and record right in Canva. So as soon as I do that, record yourself while talking over the presentation, then I will click go to recording studio, and I can set up my this is going to be a circle, and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards, but double check here your camera, your mic. I want my Yeti mic. Let's just take a look. That's right. And my camera, I've got, that's the right one too. You can get ready, and then I can start recording right away. I'm going to hit record and show you from the screen recording what does that look like, and then I'll show you what the actual video looks like. So I'm going to start recording. 3, 2, 1. All right, thank you for joining me. I'm going to be showing you about creating presentations in Canva. I'll link the other videos I've created about this topic, but I want to highlight this again for you because it is such a fantastic option. In this tutorial, you just saw how quick and easy it was to create the slides in Canva. Now I'm recording this video right in Canva, and I'll show you what that looks like. But before I continue with the different slides, what it's showing you here in the pink is all that's being recorded. It's not recording what's at the bottom. It's not recording. So I could actually even add speaker notes right here. It's fantastic. It's showing me how much time I'm talking to. So if I'm trying to stay under a minute for video shorts, it's really great. Little tip too, if you're creating the video right here in Canva, think about all the auditory cues, if you're talking about different things, if you're using that video recording also for a podcast. And I create all my YouTube thumbnails and social media posts all in Canva too. And you can even schedule your social media posts in Canva as well. I'll link a video about that too. So let's keep taking a look at Canva presentations. Here we go. My name is Patricia, and I'm so excited to share this Canva presentation recorded in Canva. And I just have to go to the next slide. I will, when you're practicing this, then you can go back and take a look at the recording to see where that little circle is. It's going to be on your slide. So you want to keep that in mind for where you put your text. And that is a tip for, when you're practicing and playing in this, you can add more creative elements. You can add movement, pictures, and music right from Canva. It's just fantastic. So this is just a quick little run through, but I want to highlight you can add all the elements from Canva into your slide deck, and that will work here too. So if I paused the slide and I went back, let's say done, it's uploading my recording. And then what I'm going to show you with this slide, going back to the screen recording so I can show you what I'm doing. It's almost finished, and then I will go back and edit a couple of slides as well. So I can at this point copy the link and actually just share the link, which is amazing that it can even be hosted on Canva, or I can download it, which I'm going to do for this this example so that I can put it together for this tutorial walkthrough. So the video is being downloaded right now, but I really love that I can create this video, save it, name it here up at the top, creating presentations in Canva. And then I only have to share that link. So it might be a welcome link or a quick tutorial run through. But when I go back to some editing here, I can animate and have that, just the outline is going to be coming up. Now it will show up not at the click of a button. When I click to this slide, this will be an automatic thing. So if I want both of those to come up one at a time, it's fine. If I wanted all of these, let's see here, create all of them in one grouping, then I can animate that, all of it as one group for animating that too. Click the three dots, present and record one more time, and I can delete recording. So it will record over top of it. So if I wanted in my, let's go here, if I wanted to make a copy of that presentation, and in the copy, so I don't delete the old one, I can click here, present and record, and it will be a brand new. Go to recording, and again, it will bring me to setting up my, make sure the video and the microphone I want. I'll click start recording. So it gives you a chance. And then welcome back. So I'm going to show you a little bit of those additional elements that is with the two different boxes here that came up separately with an animation. And oh, let's go back again. I went too quick. So you want to give it a chance to come up. So that was all as one. So I do encourage you to click the link in the description to try Canva Pro for 45 days as a free trial to test out the Canva presentation in particular, and use the templates. Now in this respect too, I'm just testing out if a video would work in here. Thank you for checking out this video about Canva presentations and recording right in Canva. So I'm going to end the recording. And it doesn't take very long, depending on how long your recording is, of how long it takes to render process. It's uploading the recording. And it's wonderful that right away you're not having to download and edit it. Right away you could copy that link and share it, which is just fantastic. Thank you for checking this out with me. I'm thrilled to be sharing Canva presentations. Definitely click the links below. I really use Canva almost pretty much every single day for all of my content creation needs. It is an invaluable tool, and I encourage you to check out the links below because creating presentations in Canva is so easy and convenient and really efficient for the use of your time. Thanks again. My name is Patricia, and until next time, I hope you have some light bulb learning moments.